Magbukas tayo ng pomelo. May nakuha ako sa puti sa Morrisons. Morrisons. Tingnan nga natin kung okay siya. Matamis. Kita ko siya kahapon nung pumunta kami ng grocery ang husband ko. So let's see what kulay. No, it's white. It's white. Look at that. Ang nipis. Ang nipis ng ano. Kasi usually sa atin, 'di ba? Ang ano, hindi ko alam kung saan galing 'to. It's China. Oh. It's from China na pomelo. Pero tingnan natin baka matamis. Ang nipis. Ang nipis ng ano. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang nipis, in fairness. Puti ang kulay. Ang ingay ng mga sigal dyan sa labas. Sakit sa tenga. Oh. Ang bilis lang. Ay, puti ang kulay.
No, still got the back shift in as well, but I think making sure, earlier than the normal do. Oh, like that.
Puti siya, guys. Oh,
Yeah.
puti ang kulay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Suka ng China.
Oh, okay.
Tikman natin ang suka ng China. This is from China, Robert.
Is it?
Ay. We'll see.
What's the difference between that and grapefruit?
It's grapefruit. We just call it pomelo.
Oh,
Oh, looks good. We'll see. Okay naman siya, oh, kahit made in China, not made in China, from China.
made. Well,
Yeah, well, made in China. See? Look, guys.
90% plastic.
90% plastic. My God. No taste at all.
Oh, well, maybe it is 90% plastic.
Masarap din.
masarap, but no taste.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 It's nice, guys. Masarap din pala siya. It's from China. Mmm. Look. Mmm. Sarap. Mmm. 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 Sarap. Mmm. Mmm. Ang sarap asin. Galing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the best.
He said there was no taste.
Mmm. Mmm. China. So,